Hi guys, I'm back again with lipstick swatch video. You guys have shown so much of love in my lipstick swatch videos. I have done a couple of lipstick video in the past. If you guys haven't watched that, then please go check it out. I'm gonna link it in the iCard button. For this video, I'm going to take you through all of my top favorite peach nude lipsticks. Which are going to cater to all my dusky beauties, because peach nude lipsticks are a little difficult to crack. When it comes to peach lipsticks in general, forget about being nude, you need to have the proper amount of warmth to it. The undertone should be perfect. It's to have a little bit of browns into it, otherwise it's just gonna wash you out. Mostly peach lipsticks and peach nude lipsticks work well with fair stone complexion, but not for dusky beauties that much. But thanks to beauty makeup brands, they are coming out with so many launches every now and then. So now cracking a peach nude lipstick is not difficult. So amongst all of them, I am going to have my top 5 nude lipsticks that I keep going back to. I'm going to show one bonus lipstick also. So now, without further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, I'm filming this video in natural light. Just for reference, I'm NC 43.5. Currently, I'm wearing a gloss. I've been testing out this gloss for now, and I quite like it. It's very moisturizing and it leaves a very light tint. It's not fully pigmented, but that's okay. The first lipstick that I'm going to share with you guys is the only lipstick that I've recently bought. Recently bought as in it's been a month or so, and since then I've been only using this lipstick. This is from the My Hues liquid lipstick, and this is from the influencer owned brand. The owner of this brand is Shalini Srivastav. I'm sure you guys have already heard about this brand as well, and you guys have heard about her as well. She has nailed up with this formulation. This was not that affordable. This was slightly expensive, to be honest. Mostly lipsticks under 500 hota, and this was like above 500 or 599, I don't remember. I wanted this lipstick because I had a plan of doing an influencer owned brand ki products ki review. So basically I wanted this for, because she's a content creator, and I have been like, I do have like a lot of things from the content creators brand. So I thought, okay, let me try this also, because I don't think I had a lipstick apart from Cuffs and Lashes, which was a disaster, you guys know. This shade is Chashni. I love peach nude lipsticks. Though I belong to a dusky skin tone family, I love peach nude lipstick. The collection is more than half it is peach nude and the other half is brown nude lipsticks. That is what I keep going back to. So this lipstick, oh my god, it is the most long lasting lipstick that I own. Even the Maybelline Superstay ink used to like come out in from between. It doesn't go in patches, it goes in like a uniform tint. It is so comfortable. I have tried out this lipstick with lip balm underneath, without lip balm underneath, without scrubbing my lips, etc. But this lipstick was comfortable throughout. I did not have the urge to purse my lipstick or anything. This lipstick, she has nailed up with the formula. Let's go into the swatches. This is a perfect peach nude lipstick. For fairer skin tone, this might look a little dark, but this has the perfect nude lipstick for us dusky beauties. It's gonna look so good on all medium tan, deep skin complexion. This has the perfect amount of warmth to it. It does have a little bit of brown. This does apply very creamy and very moussey initially, but then it dries out to a completely matte lipstick. So right now, I just removed the gloss. I did not apply lip balm. I just wish she comes up with more shade range from the nude family, because I did see the other shade, I think Gulabo. I'm not sure the other Rasgulla and all those shades were like mauve and purple tone lipsticks and straight up red and dark pinks. So that's not my color family. I need more nude browns and lip shades like this. So I hope she expands. I'm not sure whether she will ever watch my videos, but yeah, I hope that she comes up with more nude shades for dusky beauties. This has a full pigmentation. You don't have to layer it. One layer is enough. Let me give you a closer look as well. So this is how my lipstick looks like when it's freshly applied. Do you guys see? It is such a beautiful warm tone peach nude lipstick, which has a little bit of browns also. So that's the reason it's gonna cater to all my dusky beauties. It's gonna look very beautiful in all skin tone and all skin complexions. And let it dry a bit. It doesn't take a long time to dry. It dries down immediately within a minute or so, and then it becomes completely transfer proof. And this is the most long lasting lipstick that I own. It easily lasts for 6 to 7 hours. without meals, and even with meals it lasts for like good 8 to 9 hours. So this lipstick is a must have, and some of you guys have been commenting whether I have tried Mahil's lipstick or not. So I was waiting for this video, and that's the reason I picked up this lipstick as the number one, so that you guys, even if someone skips my video, I just wish that they watch this lipstick and go grab it. Now let's see whether it transfers or not. It's been good 1 minute, not more than that. Now let's see whether it transfers or not. So you guys can see it becomes transfer proof very quickly. I absolutely don't feel I'm wearing some lipstick. It is very lightweight, and you don't even have the urge to smack your lips or purse your lips. This lipstick gets a thumbs up from me. Let me know if you guys have tried out any other shade from this lipstick. I really have the itch to get a red lipstick. Red lipstick being comfortable and long lasting is such a boon, because red lipstick तुम ऐसे ही तो रोज नहीं पहनते हो. You're gonna wear it for like events or functions or parties, so you really want it to last long and be comfortable and does not embarrass you, because red lipstick can embarrass you if it bleeds and out. So let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried it, or should I try more shades from this. To try their like lip glaze or lip oils that I have come out with, so I might try another lip shade from this range. So that's my first pick. Moving on, the next shade that I'm going to show you is from Mars Cosmetics. This is like quite affordable. I don't remember the prices of all these lipsticks because these are not new lipsticks to me. So बहुत पहले लिया था मैंने, तो फिर मैं obviously भूल गई हूँ. But I'm definitely gonna include the prices of all the lipsticks. So this is the Mars non-transfer lipstick. It is the Mars non-transfer Super Stay lipstick, and I am in the shade 17. But this is the lipstick. This is a very old lipstick, not a new launch. And this is again a peach lipstick which has like brown tones to it, and it's gonna look good on all skin tone as well. So this is in the form of crayon, and this takes a little time to dry out, but it's very comfortable because this is a crayon, and it will last you good 3 to 4 hours or 4 to 5 hours, not more than that. Let's get into the application. It will again give you a good pigmentation. So this is how the lipstick looks like. One tip that I would like to give is don't layer this lipstick too much. It has a decent pigmentation. Just go it over once or twice maximum. If you layer, it can start to like ball up. Because it's a non-transfer lipstick, it has to have this formula. So this is the second peach nude lipstick that I keep going back to. You guys can see it does have a little bit of browns to it, but it is like straight up more of peach. Very beautiful, and the undertone is just perfect. I mean इसमें अगर थोड़ा और peach होता और थोड़ा कम brown होता तो शायद हम लोग को सूट नहीं करता. Let me give you a swatch on the hand as well. So this is the hand swatch. You guys can see previous चाशनी shade काफी ज़्यादा उसमें browns थे, and इसमें काफी ज़्यादा peach है, but still it does have that warmth to it. And अगर थोड़ा और इसमें peach होता ना, तो this lipstick would have like looked very brighter and would have not suited me. I'll give you a close up. This is how my lipstick looks like. Again, even if I purse my lips, I don't feel like I'm wearing something. It is so lightweight and undetectable. This is my second pick. Again, मैंने इसको काफी use करा है. You guys can see it's color coded as well, so it's gonna look beautiful on every skin tone. Do a transfer test, and it's been less than a minute. Oh, okay, it has become it's been less than a minute, but it has set into a completely matte finish, and it's not transferring. This lipstick is not that long lasting. It lasts for good 4 hours if you don't eat or anything. If you eat, it completely goes away, but you can definitely reapply. Reapplication is not a problem. For me, reapplication is absolutely not a problem. I can reapply like whenever I want, provided it should be comfortable. It shouldn't ball up or pill on. So that's that. Let's move on to the third lipstick. Is from the Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick, and this is in the shade Lippy. This is a very nice and very unique color. You guys already know about this shade. This shade was one of their best selling as well, along with Witty, I guess. So this lipstick is a very unique color. It has a little bit of mauve to it, and yet it's a peach tone lipstick. It looks different on different people. It looks different on different undertone people. This, I really like the packaging as well. It's like engrossed vinyl. And the thing is, you have to shake this lipstick because it's a glossy finish liquid lipstick. lipstick which becomes transfer proof. So you need to shake it really well so that the gloss and the pigment kind of mixes in. It has a very good expensive coffee caramel. This lipstick you might have to layer twice because it is a gloss. It doesn't, like, at least on me, on my pigmented lips मुझे दो बार layer करना पड़ता है, but it's such a gorgeous shade. Let it dry down and then I'll show you the swatch. I don't want this video to be super long. You guys have been complaining so much that my videos are very long, and I understand as a consumer no one has so much of time to watch big long format videos nowadays, but I just love talking you guys. मेरे shorts इतना अच्छा perform नहीं करता है जितना long videos perform करता है, and I want those people, you know, who likes watching long format video, because I am someone who likes to sit on long format video. But I understand, I am working on it. क्या करूँ यार, होता ही नहीं है. I feel like I need to explain each and everything. If you guys gonna spend your hard-earned money, I really wish that it should be fully worth it. Yeah, thanks for like sticking on, those who watch my videos fully, regularly. Really thanks for your support, and you keep motivating me for making more content. As you can see, I need to build this lipstick a bit. Suggest that while you're applying or while it's getting dry down, don't purse your lips. It's gonna take a long time to dry down. Don't purse your lips or mum your lips while it's getting dry down, otherwise it's gonna be patchy and it's gonna be sticky as well. This lipstick is for all the gloss lovers, because those who like gloss and still want it to be transfer proof. Come on, technology has improved so much that they're coming up with some unique launches, because who would have thought like 10 years that gloss can be transfer proof as well. This is how the lipstick looks like when it's freshly applied. But again, this packaging is color coded. So this one is the vinyl liquid lipstick. It has a little bit of pink, a little bit of mauve, and yet it's a peach nude lipstick. It is a nude lipstick to be on me, on my skin tone. Anyone who is deeper than me can also pull this shade as a nude lipstick, but someone from very fair complexion, उन पे ये शायद थोड़ा orangish लग सकता है. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for some time till it gets dried down while you can have a closer look. Formula, on the other hand, Maybelline has nailed it. But the recent launch that they have done, the Super Stay Teddy Tint, oh my god, that formula is the stickiest ever that I have tried. I have done a full-blown video on that Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Tint. If you guys haven't watched that, please watch it. I'm gonna link it in the iCard button, and I'm also gonna leave a link in the description box below. Even if you guys don't watch this video entirely, but please go and watch that video, because you might save some money if you guys are getting influenced, or if you guys are planning to buy that lipstick. My next lipstick is from the house of Insight Cosmetics. So this is the Insight Matte Lip Ink, and I am in the shade Cocoa. But you guys can see I'm almost done with this lipstick. It khatam ho chuka hai. Again, this is a very unique shade. I don't own any lipstick that is of this color. This is the swatch. I've already swatched it because वो clip मेरा कट गया था. So this is a very nice warm peach lipstick which has earthy undertones, a brick earthy undertones. Oh my god, this lip shade is so good. It's gonna shatter every Indian skin tone, especially the deep tan complexion. Extremely fair skin tone people may not be able to pull this shade because it's gonna look very bold on them, but for deep tan complexion, this shade is perfect. On me also it looks slightly little bold on me. Oh my god, this shade is everything. I'm layering a little bit. The pigmentation was very nice, but मेरा खत्म हो चुका है, so I need to layer it. That's also a reason why I made this lipstick swatch video, because this lipstick is soon gonna be my product empty. I literally wanted to share this lip shade with you guys. I think I'm done with this lipstick. It dries down to a completely transfer proof lipstick, and it is very comfortable. The application has become a little messy. This is a very beautiful nude lipstick. You can also call it as a red nude lipstick, to be honest, but this lip shade in particular is going to look very beautiful for extremely deep tan complexion, because उन पे ये एकदम amazing nude लगने वाला है. For this is very comfortable to wear. This is slightly sticky formulation. I would like to add it, but that's the reason it is very comfortable. It does not feel drying at all throughout the day. This lasts good 4 to 6 hours without meal. With meal, it does come out easily as opposed to other liquid lipstick, but you can very well go and reapply it. But yeah, you guys can see this is a sticky formula. Dries down to a completely matte and does not transfer, because stickiness ensures that it's gonna be not non-drying. For me, stickiness is better, but dryness is not. I've already explained this concept in my previous video as well. So you guys can see इसको लगाए हुए और hardly 1 minute भी नहीं हुआ है. I've been talking to you constantly. So it's a very quick drying formula. This gives a little blurring effect also. If you belong to a deep tan complexion, if you want to get one shade, I would suggest please go and grab this. This is very inexpensive, under 200. I think it's for 170 or something. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. If you guys have to get one shade, these are the ones that you need to get. If you guys are contemplating to get 1 or 2 shades, I would suggest please go grab these 2 lipsticks. So this is the closer look. So that was my 4th pick. Guys, I've been shooting since 15 minutes and I just realized that my mic was off, so I have to shoot again. The Prosh Beauty, and I am in the shade Drama Mama. This lipstick is slightly expensive amongst all the lipsticks that I've shown. The vinyl ink also you can get it for under 500 or sometimes 550 में offer में मिल जाता है. This lipstick, however, it never goes below 500, but this lipstick feels so luxurious. That's what I am having on my lips right now. And it's been good 2-3 minutes that I've applied it. It dries down to a completely matte lipstick and it becomes transfer proof. This is the outer packaging and this is in the shade Drama Mama. It feels luxurious on the lips. The packaging is also very luxurious. This is a very unique shade. This is a peach nude lipstick which has mauve and pink undertones. This is the only lipstick rather today that I'm showing you which doesn't have a brown lipstick. So for that reason, for anyone who is deeper than me, might not be able to pull this shade on its own. Maybe with a lip liner, but still I feel that the extremely deeper tan complexion people may need to skip this shade in particular, because even with the lip liner, this lipstick can look a little brighter on you people. On me also, when it's freshly applied, it looks a little brighter, but abhi 5 minute ke baad ye thoda this shade sort of deepens as the time passes. So I can pull this shade even without makeup. But right now I'm a little tanned and that's the reason this lipstick is looking a little brighter. But I have worn this lipstick in multiple times in multiple like functions and stuff, and this lipstick stood out. It even photographed very nicely. So yeah, I can like vouch that this lipstick doesn't wash me out in particularly, but now since I'm tan, it's kind of looking a little brighter. But abhi 5 minute ke baad you can see it slightly started to like oxidize, but still I would say that someone who is deeper than me can skip this shade because it is not that inexpensive. It is little on the steeper side. It's super lightweight. It feels very luxurious. It has like that cushiony formula and it lasts good 6 to 7 hours, even 8 hours without meals. And but 8 घंटे तक without meal honestly कौन रहता है. But yeah, I have tested this out. It lasts the entire day. Even with meals, it doesn't fade away completely. And reapplication is not possible because it's a liquid, straight up liquid lipstick, so you need to remove the entire lipstick and then put it. But honestly, मुझे कभी reapplication की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है. I have worn this in function, in marriages, in weddings. I've eaten a full-blown meals and everything, but still this lipstick did not break down that easily. You guys can have a look at it. It's a very unique shade. It has like a mauve and pink undertone, yet being a peach lipstick. So that's my 5th pick. Moving it can be a little difficult. You need a good oil cleansing micellar water. You guys can see micellar water se remove kariye, but still there is some pigment, right? That's what I'm talking about. So when you are eating an oily meal also, it doesn't fade away in patches. It does leave a little bit of pink. You guys see it still looks nice. So guys, that's all for my top 5 peach nude lipsticks. And there's one bonus lipstick. I'm calling it as bonus because A, I've already shown this lipstick in the past video, and B, that's because This is gonna cater to all skin tone, be it fair, extremely fair skin tone people can also pull, and this is gonna look peach nude lip on them also. And this is from Blue Heaven, and this is Cookie and Souffle Air Whipped Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Hazelnut Hottie. I've already shown this lipstick in the past, and I'm again not sure whether this is gonna suit me or not, because this is a straight up peach nude lipstick. It does have a brown and warmth to it, but it's a little lighter, and I'm not sure whether it's gonna suit me because I'm tan right now. ये काफी viral हुआ था एक time पे, and that's when I got it, and I don't regret it. It's a very beautiful formula. And by the way, guys, have you watched my previous lip swatches video that I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below? Please go check it out. Also leave a link in the iCard button, so I'm sure you're gonna love those videos as well. It's a straight up peach nude lipstick with browns to it. So with straight up brown और कुछ इसमें है नहीं, but इसमें थोड़ा peach ज़्यादा है, brown कम है. For that reason, I'm saying this is gonna look very beautiful for fairer skin tone people. Amongst all the lipstick that I've shown you, this is the least long lasting because it's like a mood. Oh my god, this smells so good. I think this is washing me out right now. I can also wear today with this brown lip liner, but I'm showing you all the lipsticks without any lip liner, so that's the reason I'm not applying any lip liner now. So guys, this is the shade Hazelnut Hottie. This is how it looks when it's freshly applied. Obviously, it's slightly washing me out right now because I'm tan. But once it dries down, I think it's gonna look good. And this is the shade that I have. I hope you guys can see. मैंने बहुत ही गंदे जगह पे swatch किया है. This is the most comfortable lipstick amongst all. This applies like a cream. So that's why they have said this is a air whipped lip cream. Name is amazing. It is literally like a airy whipped cream. Exactly like how you gonna feel if you apply cream. Like exact the eating wala cream जो है वो edible वाला जो cream रहता है वो आप लगाओगे तो कैसा लगेगा. Exactly it feels like that, and it dries down to a very comfortable matte formula, I would suggest, because it's not going to be completely transfer proof. It does transfer very minimum, but it's not going to last the entire day. It lasts good 4 hours, I might say, if you don't eat anything. If you eat, it's going to come off completely, but reapplication is not a problem at all. You can very easily keep reapplying it and you're good to go. Let's do a quick transfer test. I know it's going to transfer, but still, so you guys can see थोड़ा अभी भी transfer हो रहा है. It takes a little while because it's a mousse, it's a lip cream. It's not a liquid lipstick. But after some times it stops transferring. It does transfer, but the pigmentation is still gonna be there. It's gonna be comfortable. So I think with that we have come to the end of the video. I've shown you like 6 lipsticks that's gonna suit Indian skin tone, and these are the shades. The first one is the Insight Cosmetics Cocoa. The second one is the Chashni from My Hues. The third one is the Mars Superstay matte lipstick in the shade 17. This is the Vinyl Lip Ink, the shade Lippy. This one is the Prosh Beauty Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drama Mama. And this one is the Blue Heaven Cookie and Souffle Lipstick in the shade Hazelnut Hottie. So that's all for today's video, and I think with that we finish this video. This is the first time you came across my video on my channel. Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Rasika. I make content related beauty, skincare, makeup, etc. If that's something interests you, then please be a part of this family and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And also let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see more such video, if you guys want to see any particular color family lip swatches. For example, if you guys want to see a brown nude lipstick, or if you want to watch my current top favorite nude lipstick or any other lipstick shade, then let me know in the comment section. Definitely do that for you guys. I also love sharing my favorite nude lipsticks with you. That I think I'm gonna take off. Now I like to take off. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da, bye-bye.